Welcome to Thousand Islands Toyota, located in Brockville on 555 Stewart Boulevard. Today I'm going to show you our new 2019 Toyota Yaris Hatchback. This one is in the super white. It's in the LE trim, and it's a 5-passenger, 5-door hatchback. Let's take a look inside. It has power windows with auto down on the driver's side, power locks. The driver and passenger seat are manual adjustable. There's power adjustable mirrors. It's a dimmer light on the dash. It's equipped with safety sense, which is the pre-collision system, auto high beams, and lane departure alert. You have your hood release, your gas release. Steering wheel is tilt and telescopic adjustable. You have steering wheel audio and Bluetooth controls. It's equipped with cruise control, 4-way flashers. It's a 6.1-inch touchscreen display with a 4-speaker audio system. And this is where your backup camera is. So you have AM, FM radio, CD player, and it's MP3 and Bluetooth capable. You have air conditioning, rear defrost with timer, heated mirrors, 12-volt accessory outlet, USB and auxiliary ports, dual cup holders. It's 4-speed automatic transmission. Review mirror and your interior lights. Your 15-inch steel wheels with wheel covers, has keyless entry, a combined fuel consumption rating of 7.4 liters per 100 kilometers. Your backup camera there. Includes a privacy cover that you can easily take off. 2 sets of mats, one for the summer and one for the winter. And the back seat has a 60-40 split. There's power windows. A mat pocket on the back of the passenger seat. Get a cup holder. Side curtain airbags, totaling 9 airbags for the Yaris. There's anchor points for the child car seats. The exterior mirrors are power adjustable and heated. It's halogen headlight system. This has the 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine with 106 horsepower. Come see our lineup of our new 2019 Toyota Yaris hatchbacks at Thousand Islands Toyota in Brockville.